I've got two kids who come and play, Olivia, who's 9, and Lennon, who is 11. And they both absolutely love it. They've been coming from the beginning. They've got their shirts with their names on, which has been fantastic. And in their team, they play with kids from 6-year-old right through to 13, which is brilliant, both girls and boys.
Yeah, I've got two kids here. They love it. Come every Sunday. Can't stop talking about it. And yeah, we're definitely coming back every other Sunday, and yeah.
I've got one boy here. I found out about it through him. He told me he was invited, and it's really good. There's a lot of kids here and a lot of parents.
I've got one.
I've got two.
We heard about it through Martin at the Curramundi soccer camp.
Yeah, and our boys are loving it. Can't get enough of it, actually.
I've got two sons here. I think it's a great benefit. They just learn about different aspects in life, not just soccer. Being good sportsmen is probably the main thing.
And my son Rafi's here. He loves it here and it's been great fun. We actually started with the father-son thing on Sundays, but what inspires all the kids here is the fact they've got teams and shirts, and that really invigorates them, right? That's what I think. Anyway, I think it's a very good idea. If your kids want to do soccer on Sunday, I recommend you do this.
I'd fully recommend it to anybody who wants to come in, be part of a community, people who love football. It's a little bit competitive, but friendly at the same time, and a great community.
The focus is on getting them to feel confident and improve their skills, rather than about who's best and who's not. We have lots of fun. It's relaxing. We get to meet other parents.
We're here every Sunday.
And I heard through Martin directly, and I came down, and it's been a positive experience ever since.
Everybody we tell, they love it as well. And we're trying to recruit some more kids to come on Sundays. So yeah, anybody that wants to come along, definitely, thumbs up, great.
It's fun and it's a great way to learn other people's names and just play soccer.
I come here to win and play soccer and have fun.
I come here because it's good to know everybody and get your skills up on soccer.
Exercise.
Exercise?
Fitness.
Exercise. I get out of it exercise, get new skills. Well, it's very fun to enjoy everybody here and get your own shirts and suits, so you can also play with a team and get to know everybody. Yes, definitely. It's a great thing to do on your Sunday afternoons and just get a bit of exercise.
Yeah, if they play soccer, yeah. It's really fun, really enjoyable.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
And would you recommend this to any of your school friends or friends anyway?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
And which team of the four is the best?
Liverpool.
Liverpool.